Alright, in this video we're going to be talking about adding margin to an open position. Now, when we're adding margin, it means that we are in an isolated margin position. So we're using either one of these leverage amounts on this leverage bar, or we are manually typing in amount specifically versus actually using cross margin, which is going to be applying our entire balance. So when we're using isolated margin, we're applying an isolated amount of BTC towards a position, and that position is limited to that amount. So there are times when we might want to actually remove or add margin, and in the sake of this video we're going to be adding margin. So we're going to open up a long position, so we're going to buy long, market order in, and as you can see right now we are in a 5 times levered up position for 100 contracts, and we're using about $20 USD as margin. So that's the amount we're using as collateral to control this position. So in the case of adding or removing, we're going to click that, and right now I'm going to go ahead and add. You can see the balance that you have to add, so I'm going to go ahead and add 0.002 BTC to this position. And it's that simple. We've just gone ahead and added some more margin to this position. And you can do the exact opposite if you want to remove margin, and it will show you the amount that you are able to remove in order to keep the position open. So as you can see, I could remove up to, in this case, 0.002. So we're going to go ahead and remove 0.0017. And it's that simple.